It's date night. I literally just threw this wig on. It took me like 5 minutes or less. I'm gonna show you guys quickly, but look at that. It appears to be growing out of my scalp, but it's really not. It's glueless. I love the cut. It's from Luvmehair. Let's get into this wig. I have a date. I'm late. I got to do a quick wig install. This is going to be a glueless wig from Luvmehair, one of my favorites. Let me just quickly show you guys how it comes packaged because it just makes the perfect gift for any wig lover out there. Putting your own. Look at straight out of the package. It's ready to go. Dust bag, wig cap, melt belt, and like a grip. I actually want to open this because I don't know what this is. And they give you 2 of them. This is something new and innovative. I think you put this on your lace to like make it more pronounced because it's like has adhesive. But what we finna do, throw this bad boy on. I absolutely love these new cap construction designs. This is like a L part, as you guys can see, but I like the back, I like the grip, and I like the spaciousness. We finna put this bad boy on. I'm just always so amazed every time I just see the hairline. Okay, this is straight out of the package. Nothing done. One thing Luvmehair is gonna do is eat it up every time. Let me just put it behind my ear. Baby, I can go on my date just like this. I could straighten it if I wanted to. I've just been like flat ironing the hair. It's getting really straight, really fast. Super cute too. Okay, just looking at it, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I did flat iron it a bit so y'all can see like the silkiness. This is gorgeous, like straight out. Normally I cut my wigs and give them a cuter feel, but I love this. This is so cute. It's big head friendly. I have like knee length braids, so it's definitely a vibe. Wait, Luvmehair, Luvmehair, Luvmehair. So yeah, if you guys are interested in like a super fast, quick throw and go wig, like this looks like it's growing out of my scalp, baby. She's cute. And then the length. Yes.